Good morning, students. Today we are going to read Physical Division of India. In Physical Division of India, we will learn how different landforms like hills, mountain, desert, plains, etc. divide India. Warm-up. What are the physical features of the city or town you live in? We live in Rampur, and its physical feature is that it is a plain. Is there a river or an ocean nearby? Yes, we have one river. Its name is Kosi. Or it is a hilly region? No, Rampur does not comes in hilly region. The physical feature of a place determine the landform. Write about the physical features of the place you live in. We live in Rampur and it's come in northern plains of India. Scientists believe that the earth was formed from a cloud of dust particles about 4.6 billion years ago. The surface of the earth is known as crust. A crust is a place on which we live and the tree grows. The surface of the crust of the earth is always moving. This results in continents drifting apart and oceans rising and falling. Drifting means moving, or you can say separating. Landforms. Any natural shape on the earth's surface is known as landforms. Landforms includes mountains, hills, valley, plains and plateaus. Most landforms are created through natural processes such as erosion due to wind and rain. They are also formed because of weather conditions such as frost and chemical actions. Other natural events such as the eruption of volcanoes and earthquakes also shape the land. When volcanoes erupts, it creates plateaus and fertile plains, and the earthquakes creates valleys, lakes and oceans. India, the seventh largest country of the world, has varied land features. It largely has 6 divisions. So we can understand by this line that India is divided in 6 parts because of these landforms. First one is mountains, the great mountain of the north in which the Himalayas come. Plateaus, the peninsular plateau. See here, India's southern part is covered with water from 3 sides. This is peninsula. So a land which is covered by water from 3 sides is known as peninsula. Plains, the northern plains. These plains are Haryana, Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. Desert, the Thar Desert which is in Rajasthan. Rivers, coastal plains. Coastal plains are the areas which are near the seashores. Islands, everybody knows I think island. Island is a land which is surrounded with water. Mountains. A mountain is a very high point on the earth's surface that rises at least 1000 feet above its surroundings. Some mountains are steep and snow-capped. Others have gentle slopes and rounded tops. See here, this mountain is having a steep slope and pointed top with snow cover, and this mountain is having a gentle slope with rounded top. Both type of mountains are there in India. In India, the northern mountains include the Himalayas, that include the Himadri, Himachal, Shivalik ranges and the Karakoram range. The Himalayas are the highest mountain range of the world. One more thing, remember that Himalayas are the youngest mountain of the world. Glaciers, that are large bodies of moving ice, cover the ranges of the Himalayas. Gangotri and Yamunotri are glaciers on the Himalayan range from which the river Ganga and Yamuna start. The climate in the mountain is usually cold. Coniferous trees such as pine, fir and spruce grow in the mountains. Plateaus. Plateaus are flat lands higher than the land around them. As plateaus rise straight, up from the land. Plateaus are often called tablelands. See here is the plain areas, and some areas just rise up, and at the top it is flat. This is plateaus. They don't have the peak. Okay. The Indian peninsula stretches from the south of northern plains to Kanyakumari. In southern India, it comprises two parts, the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. The Central Highlands include the Aravalis, the Malwa Plateau, and some parts of Vindhya Range. The Deccan Plateau covers the most of southern India. Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri are important rivers of this plateau. For today's students, this much only. Tomorrow we will learn and read the different other landforms found in India.